Every morning deserves a fabulous and a hearty breakfast that is bursting with flavors of fresh ingredients right from your kitchen. And if that breakfast is vermicelli or Semiya Upma with a side dish of coconut chutney and a cup of hot tea or coffee, definitely you can call it good morning. Hello everyone, welcome to another cooking episode of IndianSpicemix.com. To make Vermicelli Upma, you need half a tablespoon of mustard seed, urad dal, chana dal, and a pinch of hing, a green chilli and a whole red chilli. Also you need a twig of curry leaf, coriander leaf, salt as per taste, refined oil 2 tablespoons, 1 tomato chopped, half inch ginger chopped, 1 onion chopped, also you need freshly chopped carrot, green beans and cauliflower, 1 cup of vermicelli. Here I am using roasted vermicelli. In a heated pan, allow 2 tablespoons of oil. Once oil is hot, add mustard seeds. Allow it to splutter. Then add 1 red chilli, 1 green chilli broken into pieces. Then add urad dal, followed by chana dal, and saute everything for 1 or 2 minutes. This will impart a nutty flavor to the seasoning. Add a pinch of hing and enjoy the aroma. Saute everything for 2 minutes. Add curry leaves and fry them for a few seconds. Now add chopped ginger, and saute for another minute. Now we will add freshly chopped onion and fry for a minute. We don't want to make it golden brown, only we wish to have little bit of softness. And then we will add chopped carrot and beans. It's time to add chopped cauliflower, and look at this color. Isn't it vibrant? We'll cook everything for 5 minutes on low to medium flame. We'll ensure to stir every 1 or 2 minutes to allow even cooking. We'll add salt as per taste. And we will continue to stir every 1 or 2 minutes. Now it's time to add chopped tomato and we'll cook it till soft. We will not overcook the veggies here. The intention is to keep the crunchiness of the vegetables but we'll make them semi-soft. We'll cover and cook for a few minutes. After 5 minutes, we'll uncover it and see if the vegetables are soft enough. We can see vegetables are oozing out water and getting cooked in that steam, which is what we want in this recipe. And now it's time to add water. Water is very important. Water proportion is very important in this recipe. We generally add 2 cups of water for every 1 cup of vermicelli. And then the next step is that we will allow the water to come to a boiling point, and we'll add freshly chopped coriander leaves. We need to be a bit more patient here, and we'll wait for water to start boiling. Now it's time to add the vermicelli. We'll add vermicelli in one hand and we'll keep on stirring it with another hand. And this step will ensure that the vermicelli are not getting lumped at one place. We'll give it a very nice mix. We'll cover it with a lid for 4 to 5 minutes or till vermicelli absorbs all the water. And after 5 minutes, we'll open the lid. And with a spatula, very gently we'll flop it off. And see, vermicelli is well cooked. There is no water, residual water at the bottom of the pan, which means that vermicelli is now perfectly cooked. And so is the vegetables. It is the right time to transfer the content into a serving bowl, and yes, your delicious vermicelli upma is ready to serve. You can pair it up with coconut chutney or tomato chutney. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to this channel and like and share it. Till the next recipe, happy cooking and thanks for watching.